It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the dump truck. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Something is dripping here. Let's open the cover plate. Turn the valve to open it. Perfect. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super duper! That's it! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Excellent! The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. That's great! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super duper! Perfect! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Wonderful! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. I knew you could do it! The wheel is broken. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super! Perfect! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super! Perfect! Semicircle. You're so crescent. Octagon. Trapeze. Parallelogram. Magnificent. Connect the pump to the wheel. Perfect. Pump it, pump it. Keep going. You fixed it! All done! Now help to assemble dump truck. All done! Now we can upgrade the parts. Go to the construction site.